Hello student, how are you all? Okay, fine. So we have discussed many topics related your optics chapters. Okay, I think that all you may have seen, and today basically we are going to discuss related your difference. Difference it means suppose that already we got the formation of image by concave and convex. Okay, concave and convex. Uh, Today we will discuss difference between concave and convex spherical mirror. This is the topics, and already you got the formation of image where the object can be placed. But can you define what is a concave mirror? Concave means you know that the concave which having the reflecting portion where towards the center. Is it clear? Okay. It means you can take the two sides. One side you will take the concave mirror. Okay, and other side you will take convex mirror. Can you take? And this is the important topic. Okay, for class 12 and 10th also they can see both students, and even those who are preparing for the competitions. It doesn't matter that he is the 11th or any particular class. They can see all the class students. Okay, so we have the difference between concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave means this is the concave, yes, the color will outside. This is the color, and here is this is the called pole. Okay, this is the pole, and this is the focus, and this will be the center of curvature. And we have already proved F is equal to R by 2. F is equal to R by 2 means F, a small f, this is the focal length, or you can say the distance between P and F. Pole and focus. Pole and focus. This is the pole, yes, and this is the focus. Okay, this is the focus, and this is the center of curvature. Okay, center of curvatures. Already we have discussed, and this is the A and this is the B. If you will assume, this is called the aperture. Okay, aperture. So we have proved this formula, and this distance, that is called the radius of curvature R. R is the radius of curvatures. Okay, now we have basic difference. What is the concave and convex? Now if you will draw the convex, you take, this is the convex, but this will be colors inside means towards the focus, towards the center of curvatures, and this will be focal length, this will be the radius of curvatures. Is it clear? And this A and B, this is here will be, if you will assume A and B, so this will be the aperture. Okay, aperture, and this is the focus, this is the center of curvatures. Okay, this is the pole. Now you can find the differentiate. What is the differentiate? In the concave spherical mirrors, the focus is inside and color is outside. This is the color, silver colors or any colors which is coated on these sides, which help them to reflect the lights. Okay, and here you can see that the color is inside where the focus is there. Is it clear? Now you see that this side is color, so this will be the reflecting portion. Reflecting portion will towards the center. It means the object will lies here. It may be object at infinity, it may be object beyond C or at C, between C and F, at F, between F and P. It means the 6 cases already we have discussed. But in the convex mirrors, you will see that the object will lie outside the center of curvatures, means the ray of light will travel like that. Okay, so suppose that you will take the concave or spherical mirrors, and this is the principal axis. This is called the principal axis and focus, and this will be the center of curvature. So when the ray of light will travel parallel, suppose that the light is coming from infinity, so it will passes through this focus. Another will goes, that will also passes through this focus. Yes, so these points will be the where two or more light can intersect. Okay, so where the image will forms. Another, you can see that in the convex, you will see that such that the object will, okay, object will outside from the, okay, center of curvatures and the focus, here the object will lie. Now when the light will incident, so it will be reflected and the backwards will appears. Where it will appears? It will appears at focus. Another will suppose that light is coming and that will also reflect according to laws of reflection, because you have I is equal to angle R, angle I is equal to angle R, and that will also appears on the focus. So according to this diagram, what you will notice? You will notice that here is the real focus principle, okay, real, but here is the virtual. Yes, here is the virtual. Here is object outside, but in concave there is the inside. Okay, so point by point, students, you can write. It means concave mirrors will forms real and real inverted 5 cases, but whenever the object will lies at the P and F, so it will be virtual and erect. It means it can form the image real, inverted, and also virtuals when the object will lies between F and P or P and F. Is it clear? But in the concave, it will always form virtual and erect image. Is it clear? Here's the color is outside. Color means, or the focus is inside. Okay, the mirrors is coated. The mirror is coated outside, or color you can also say. But here you will see that the silver color or coated inside. Okay, another points what you will write, you know that this is whenever the light is incident and then it reflect, it appears at a particular point, so you can say that it can converge the light. It can converge the light. Okay, but here will be it can diverge the light. Okay, it can diverge the light, so it is called converging mirror, and that is also called the diverging mirror. But in our life, you know that concave mirrors you can use, where you will use reflectors. As here you have seen the projectors, it can use in projectors as reflectors. Okay, and here you can use, have you seen the driver's mirrors? Okay, you can, or another what you can say, there is the sharp corner where also it can use. Okay, so you can write these ones also. It can use as driver's mirror. Okay, this we can use also driver's mirror. So these are the points, students. You can write. What is the point? First, concave and convex. First point you will write. This is the diagram of the concave. Another is the convex. Second, first point you can say, this is the second point. When this parallel light will incident or any light, it will always passes through this focus. It means it has the real focus. But here you will say that when the ray of lights will travel parallels, it will incident and bounce. So it will be the virtual focus because outside the object is it clear? Okay, very good. Another, if you will measure, then the light is coming from this side, but you will measure from the pole. And this is the sign convention, already I have discussed. You can see there are three sign convention. One is that when the ray of light is taken as, okay, or the distance is measured towards the ray of light is taken as positive, all the distance measured from the poles and the distance or height measured above the principal axis is taken as positive, and while downwards is taken as negatives. Another points you can take that, suppose that here the object will, if the object will lies at infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, at 5 cases it will form the real and inverted image. But whenever you will place the object between P and F, pole and focus, so it will form virtual and erect image. Is it clear? Okay, but in another case you can see that whenever the object will lies, it has only two cases. First, the object that is U will lie at infinity, and another, the object will lie near the pole. So both the cases you will find out the image will form behind. It means the virtual and erect. Is it clear? Okay, very good. So there are the difference. Another difference, it will form the virtuals, and you know that it having the outside colors, but in the convex here is inside where there is a focus center of curvatures, and we can use this one in our life like as a converging. Okay, it is a converging and it is a diverging. And one more points we can use as a cinema projector, it can use as a driver's mirror. Okay, so many uses are there, just like also in the sharp corners where it can also use to reflect the light. Is it clear? So students, thank you. I think that next topics also we will discuss the difference between others. Okay, like as in case of the lens. But before it, you will write this one. Until now, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, and also press the bell buttons because you will get the notification also. Okay, so this is the importance for all students basically, and those who are preparing for the board, okay, exams, and not only for that, and those who are preparing for other competition exams, they can see these ones. Is it clear? Okay, thank you students. Okay.